Hey, so how's everything going with Sarah?
Good. Yeah, we're like going steady. It's pretty awesome.
Nice.
Yeah.
You guys see each other a lot?
Yeah, we try to like see each other like every day, like every other day at least. It's cool like having someone always there, you know?
Yeah, I mean, it's chill. You just never want to take any of that for granted. I mean, people die every day.
Yeah. I mean, you could say that about anyone. You know?
Yeah. But I'm saying it about her.